Welcome back. AR Workshop is a boutique DIY workshop that offers hands-on classes where you can make wooden signs and home decor, pillows, blankets, and obviously so much more. They have several events coming up, including a girls' night out. We have Courtney Rasco and Carolyn Harwood. They're both here. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
And I have been so excited ever since the commercial break. So we've been talking about what you guys do. Obviously, you can see at home a ton of beautiful projects, but the really cool thing about it is that they come to you and make it themselves.
Yes, they come in, they register online, you pick your project, your design, all your stains and paints are picked in the shop. Non-toxic, scent-free stains, so it's a really pleasant experience. You come in the shop, you make a mess, and we clean it up.
So no paint, no tools, nothing. All you've got to bring is your bottle of wine, like we talked about. So it sounds like a really, really fun night, and you guys have a girls' night coming up. So tell me a little bit about that and how our girls can get involved.
Right, so we do have girls' night. It's this week, Friday at 7. We have them pretty often, as well as other events on our calendar, date nights, stuff like that. But you just register online, pick your project like Courtney was saying, and we have everything set up and ready for you as soon as you get there. So grab your wine, grab your friends, and just come on down.
You really do make it so easy for us. We're seeing some video of kind of what it looks like on a typical night with you guys. Again, really cool, a fun night maybe with your mom, your boyfriend, your husband, whoever it is. And you can make it all on your own. So I do want to talk about some of the things that we have today. Really excited about them. A lot of fall decor. Also, something that I've been talking about is this beautiful blanket ladder. Not only can you make the ladder, but you can also make the blanket with you guys.
Yes, we have Chunky Knit blanket classes, canvas classes, Lazy Susans, pedestal trays, all kinds of wooden projects. So.
Wow. Well, if someone wants to come visit you guys, where can they go ahead, sign up, and book their appointment?
So just visit our website, arworkshop.com/mobile. You'll see our calendar of events, and you can see all of the projects that we offer there.
And I already told the ladies that I'm already planning my night with my mom and my sisters, but I do want to show this too.
Yeah.
Not only did you bring these beautiful things, but they made us a Studio 10 sign too. It's so perfect. So thank you, ladies, so much. I'm excited to come. I'll be there, I'm sure, within the next few weeks. You know where to go if you want some new home decor, but obviously you can have it, but you can always experience and make it too and have fun while doing that too.
Exactly.
So ladies, thank you so much. We'll have all that information at fox10tv.com right under the Studio 10 tab. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Joe?